Hi everyone, I'm Francisca Alonso, CEO and co-founder of AV Architects and Builders. And today I am here at the Ferguson Chantilly showroom with Taylor, our lighting designer.
Hi there, my name is Taylor. I work here in the Ferguson Kitchen and Bath showroom. Lighting is one of those areas that just is changing almost monthly. You almost have to take a break and catch your breath with all the fun changes and designs that are coming out.
Well, that's all we're going to talk about today. So as we look back on 2023, what lighting trends have been most popular?
In lighting, it's a lot to do with like clean and open. So I'm sure you've seen those cage pendant lights where it's very open but also has a little bit of structure around it. Manufacturers have kind of tapped into that but opened up a little bit as far as adding finishes, mixing metals, changing the inside bulbs, really adding an extra layer of oomph to kind of, again, give that little bit of pizzazz to a dining room space or an entrance foyer space without overwhelming.
Right, yeah, a balance between being minimalistic but having some texture.
Absolutely, yes.
Right? So, Taylor, can you tell us a little bit about some innovative features that you've seen in lighting in 2023?
Lighting industries have really allowed you to have it all in one space. You can change the different color temperatures, all just from a remote control that can be on your wall too. So.
Right. It's so convenient.
Very.
Yeah. So another thing that we've seen also in the architectural world is LED strip lighting. Like it's been used in, it used to be that you did it around the mirror and the vanity, but now we see it under cabinets, in the floating cabinets. We also have drop ceilings where we do the LED, and you can change it to different colors from your phone remotely. You can make it to dance if you have dance music. So it's so easy to install that product that people love adding that little accent of LED strip. So Taylor, in 2023, what would you say are your top sellers here at Ferguson in terms of lighting?
So I think you may be shocked by this. Bar lights over your vanity is actually making a huge comeback.
That was like very popular like in the 80s, and then it kind of faded when the world went all recessed.
Right.
And you kind of miss that in the bathroom because the bathroom needs a little bit of more jewelry.
Because it's not just a simple bar over your mirror anymore, or in your bathroom or your powder room or anything like that. You're able to actually add color into it. Have design on the end of the bars, but bar lights, I tell you, it's coming back.
So tell me about some consumer trends that you've seen in 2023.
So mixing metals is really big, especially when it comes to lighting as well. And also adding a little bit of natural wood look to it.
Yeah.
So there's some beautiful pendants out there that actually have a worn wood look to it with the inside of the light fixture being gold. And it's amazing how it almost like exemplifies your faucet or your sink or your countertop by just having that one light kind of being different. And then another thing, it's not being heavy, it's really open. We're always entertaining or we're always having people or a conversation where we don't want something big and bulky in our face.
Right.
Having that open, airy, soft,
right.
Not a distraction, but also an uplift in the space.
There's a push for modern, but you don't want it to be cold, sterile, modern.
Right.
So what you can do with lighting is to create that warmth and that texture. And that's what makes the modern be more softer, more warmer. It's all about the lighting. The lighting can create that, add the like you were saying, that warmth, so that you have the balance. So as we're wrapping up, Taylor, tell everyone your most favorite lighting product for 2023.
Ooh, gosh, I have so many, but to put maybe one in perspective, I really love two-tone fixtures, personally because it put me out of my own comfort zone when I was doing my home. There is a beautiful fixture called the Henroga. It's the outside is like a soft, almost wrought iron black, and the interior is like a soft gold, almost brushed nickel look. And I know immediately when I'm saying it, you're like, you got 3 metals there. I know, but it's flawless in the space.
Yeah, that's so interesting because back then it was, you weren't allowed to mix and match. You know, if you had brushed nickel hardware, then you had to have brushed nickel faucets, you had to have brushed nickel appliances. And nowadays, the 2023, it's exactly what you're saying. I've seen this huge trend of, yes, let's mix and match. Let's just do it gracefully and elegantly so that it all comes together. I love that. I love that.
These manufacturers are blowing me away daily. You almost have to keep up before you fall behind.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
I like that.
If you ever want to come by our Chantilly showroom, I'd be more than happy to speak to you. If you want to make an appointment, I would love that as well. You can contact me at 703-375-5870. And I look forward to working with you on your project.
The best way to get in touch with us is to call our office in Great Falls. Our number is 703-865-5065. In addition, if you'd like to look at some of our portfolio work, check out our website at www.avarchitectsbuild.